the basic research we do, it's fantastic. But at the same time, so you see, with the age, you become even more sensible to help people, and that was me. For me, it's really the wish to bring someone to people. I'm Domenico Della Volpe. I'm a professor here at the Department of Physics of the University of Geneva. I'm a particle physics, now astroparticle physics. Well, this is a project that really is a very emotional endeavor because it's a project on medical physics. We want to use our know-how in a much more applied field, that in this case is medical physics. I'll just show you a bit mock-up, please don't take it as it is. But this is a small camera that will be used for breast cancer. And the idea is that this camera will allow to reduce the invasiveness and then the aftermath for the women that undergo this kind of surgery. So the project has been funded by European Community, and so for this we had already prototypes. We are now also integrating the augmented reality to give the surgeon this thing. So we think it's a very important because really it's the possibility to use your skill to go towards people, to have an impact on society, in this case on patients. Well, in truth, probably this kind of project has a wide impact, in the sense that clearly the first motivation is people. So the impact societally, it's really to help patients for this kind of illness, and that's what we want. At the same time, clearly, there is also in terms of economic impact, the idea is that if you make these things to fly as a real product, this really can also bring jobs, people, but also the fact that we are using a very high technological content. This means that also from a technological point of view, from the industrial partnership, this will be important. We already have partnership for what regards the development of the software of this thing, for example, but also for the realization, this probably will be everything done here in Switzerland, and this is what we in general will try to do. Well, I told you this is a personal endeavor. This comes from a personal thing. So a very good friend of mine underwent this surgery, and I discovered that the most invasive part is not the real breast cancer, but the so-called symphonal lymph node that is done to check if you have a cancer or not. So for me, it was a sort of way to engage myself, my skill, to help somebody. Well, first of all, we are very happy that UNIGE selected us for this because it's a good showcase. Clearly, we want that these things become a reality. So we already are in contact with the innovation environment here at Canton de Genève. The FONGIT, that is the foundation, is already supporting us to help to this go to the market. So it's a long path. That's what we want to do, because for me, the success will be the first surgery with this camera on people. For me, will be a very personal, or something that I really looking forward. But the idea is that this should become a real product. We're going toward the creation of a startup.